mean, one of the coolest things with the festival is also what's happening here between the mentors and the mentees, the chefs and the students.
You know, if you're a student, I'd say one thing. Make sure you get in front of the people like myself.
You know, pick the chefs that you like and respect the most and just ask them to, you know, to work with them. And just do anything that they ask you to do, and just do it well, because you never know who's watching.
But here you have all these incredible chefs that have so much to offer, so just open your eyes and listen to them. And really spend time and like work a lot.
And you really double down and you learn your technique and your craft. You get to have privileged experiences like this mixed in with all the hard work, and the balance and beauty of that makes it all worthwhile.
It is an unrivaled opportunity to meet and greet all of the people that you should be paying attention to.
It's easy to say, you be nice, whatever, but it's just smiling and being better than the person next to you.
There are so many things that you can do, and when you talk to people like us that have sort of been around, and we have worked in restaurants, we've worked in hotels, but we also worked in food media, you know, we know stuff. So ask us questions, because we love to sound like we know what we're talking about.
Ask what can you do for them, because when you ask what you can do for them, they'll do for you later.
I remember when I was in your footsteps, and I always said yes to every single opportunity I possibly could, because you're going to meet great chefs that you're going to network with, and you're going to see incredible food that will become part of your repertoire of dishes that you know how to cook in the future.